Hello viewers. Meet again with me on Mauto channel. This time I will explain about benefits of lime for health and beauty. Lime is a small, green-colored orange variant that is very familiar with housewives. Usually lime to be one of the acid flavor enhancers in cooking. Lime juice is often used to neutralize the stench of some foods. But who would have thought, it turns out many properties in a lime. Let's discuss various benefits. Content of lime nutrition. Inside the lime there are a number of ingredients that make it have a million benefits. Number 1. Macronutrients, fibers and calories. 1 cup of fresh lime juice contains 1 gram of protein, 0.17 grams of total fat, which is 2% of the daily value set by the United States Food and Drug Administration based on a 2.000 calorie diet per day. Contains about 20 grams of carbohydrates, 1 gram of fiber and 60 calories. In addition, lime juice has a cholesterol-free amount of fat. Number 2. Micronutrient value. Lime is rich in vitamin C. 1 cup of fresh lime juice contains 73 milligrams, which is more than 100% of the daily value of vitamin C the body needs. Vitamin C is essential for the development of body connective tissue, for wound healing and supporting blood vessel walls. Lime contains other important micronutrients in smaller amounts, including calcium, magnesium, potassium, phosphorus, vitamin A and vitamin B. Number 3. Rich in flavonoids. Flavonoids are pigments that give the color of their plants. Their orange fruits and juices are rich in flavonoids, which act as powerful antioxidants. Antioxidants help protect your body from free radicals, which are unstable molecules that damage healthy cells. According to Linus Pauling Institute, a diet rich in flavonoids is associated with a reduced risk of cardiovascular disease, degenerative neurological diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease, and certain cancers. Number 4. Citric acid content. Citric acid is what makes the sour taste of lime juice that may provide valuable protection for the body. In a study investigating the antibacterial activity of lime juice against harmful bacterial species, lime juice was effective in reducing the spread of bacteria due to citric acid in the juice, according to an article published in Journal of Science Nutrition and Vitaminology in April 2006. The results show that fresh lime is effective in preventing certain bacterial infections. Number 5. Mineral content. Lime contains a number of healthy minerals such as iron, copper, potassium, and calcium. Potassium, an important component of cells and body fluids, helps to control heart rate and blood pressure. The benefits of lime for health. The benefits of lime for beauty is the number 1 fruit in the world. It is very powerful for a variety of skin problems and even health. Number 1. Digestion. Lime has an aroma that makes the mouth produce water, and this really helps the main digestion. The natural acidity will break the food macromolecules. Then flavonoids, compounds found in fragrant oils extracted from lemon, stimulate the digestive system and increase the secretion of digestive gall and acidic juices. Flavonoids also stimulate peristalsis. This is the reason behind the consumption of pickled lime with lunch and dinner, which is done in India and various neighboring countries in the region. Number 2. Diabetes. According to the American Diabetes Association, Lemon and other citrus fruits are considered superfoods for diabetes. In particular, the high soluble fiber found in lemon makes the ideal food aid to help regulate the body's absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, reducing the occurrence of a blood sugar surge that is a serious risk for diabetic patients. Limes and other citrus fruits have a low glycemic index, meaning that they will not cause unexpected spikes in glucose levels, in addition to the benefits of the soluble fiber effect. Number 3. Heart disease. The same soluble fiber can help diabetics also keep blood sugar levels, make blood pressure also lower, and eliminate the presence of LDL cholesterol, bad cholesterol. Furthermore, soluble fiber can reduce inflammation in blood vessels, which is a known preventive measure against heart disease, heart attacks, and stroke. Number 4. Respiratory disorders. Flavonoid oil extracted from lime is widely used in anticongestive drugs such as balms, vaporizers, and inhalers due to the presence of camphorol. Just by inhaling the aroma, can help overcome the feeling of tightness and nausea. Number 5. Arthritis. One of the many causes of arthritis is excessive uric acid that accumulates in the body. Uric acid is one of the waste products that normal urine will cleanse the body. But unfortunately, if too much, it can make the pain and inflammation of arthritis even worse. Citric acid found in citrus fruits such as lemon is a solvent where uric acid is soluble, increasing the amount eliminated in urine. Citrus fruits in general have anti-inflammatory properties and can be used for a number of inflammatory issues. Number 6. Fever. If a person has fever, lime juice can be an alternative medicine. Citrus fruits are generally able to reduce and very high fever. Patients should consume lemon juice and water. However, if mild to moderate fever, other fruit juices, especially orange juice such as lime, can be given to overcome the fever back down. Vitamin C, found in high concentrations in citrus fruits, naturally lowers body temperature. Number 7. Uric acid. There are two main causes of uric acid. The first source is the accumulation of free radicals in the body, and the second is the accumulation of toxins in the body, especially uric acid. Lime can help prevent both of these causes. It is a source of antioxidants and detoxifiers, vitamin C and flavonoids, that reduce the amount of free radicals as well as detoxify the body. Number 8. Urinary disorders. High potassium content of lime is very effective in removing toxic substances and sediments that can be stored in the kidneys and bladder. The nature of the lemon disinfectant also helps cure infections in the urinary system. In addition, it can clean up urine blockage that can come from calcium deposits in the urinary tract. Number 9. Anti-cancer. Lime is a fruit rich in anti-cancer substances, namely the flavonoids that play a role in killing and preventing cell damage. So there is no harm if you try to consume lime regularly to get the best results. Herbal medicine media. Lime contains natural herbal substances, which are good for the treatment of various diseases. The set of traditional medicine and acupuncture Indonesia provides several prescriptions of disease treatment with lemon. Number 1. Cough medicine. Lime juice, then added sugar stones, then stir until flat. taken 1 time a day until the patient recovers. Number 2. Overcoming menstruation less current. Prepare 3 tablespoons of lime juice, add a tablespoon of honey, and brewed with 2 glasses of hot water. Drink while warm, 3 times a day. Number 3. Reduce vertigo. Peel half a handful of lime leaves, plus 1 spoon of lime juice. Apply on the nape, forehead, and temple 2 times a day. Number 4. Eliminate panu and ringworm. Clean a handful of ground and finely ground roots. Add the lime juice and stir well. Rub on the skin affected by ringworm or panu. Use bandages to bandage wounds. Replace bandages 2 times a day until healed. Beauty skin. Oranges are known for their beneficial effects on the skin. Lime juice, whether consumed directly or smeared, provides the following benefits on the skin. Number 1. Acne and stains. Acne and stains caused by dirt, oil and dead skin cells that clog the pores of the face. Acne is a common problem in people with oily skin. In addition, the bacteria present in the facial pores will aggravate inflammation, increasing redness and pain. The antibiotic properties of lemon inhibit the growth of bacteria that cause acne. To keep acne, can be combined with honey. While the benefits of honey have antibacterial properties that prevent the growth of bacteria, the acidic properties of lime will control the excess oil. Perform this facial treatment every week to get rid of acne. Scars of acne can be lightened by massaging the facial skin with fresh lime juice. Number 2. Anti-aging. The development of age and also exposure to UV rays of the sun, forming melanin that affect the color of the skin. Then the accumulation of melanin on this skin, causing dark spots and meningocele signs of aging. To get the benefits of lime to inhibit melanin production, it can be done as follows. Peel the lemon and rub it on the skin. Or apply a natural mask with lime peel, which significantly reduces excessive pigmentation. Number 3. Skin shines. For radiant skin, all that needs to be done is to apply the skin with a glass of warm water mixed with honey and lime juice every morning on a regular basis. This will give the skin a natural glow. Healthy hair. Eliminate dandruff. Cajun lemon is widely used for hair problems such as dandruff and hair loss. The way is easy. Wash your hair with warm water that has been mixed with lime juice. Leave the hair for a while and rinse again with cold water until clean. It is recommended to rinse hair with shampoo containing lime, to add freshness. Lime storage. The peak season of lime is April to August. Although this fruit can be available in stores throughout the year. Choose large fruits and weigh in size. Choose bright yellow fruit, with fresh citrus aroma. Avoid the dark green fruit because it is immature and will not have much water. In addition, avoid the fruit with dark spots on the surface. At home, to store it in a plastic bag in the refrigerator will keep it preserved for up to a week. Store the lemon juice in the freezer compartment for later use. Store dry the spirit in cool and dry in a glass airtight container away from moisture. Side effects of lime. Lime is likely to be safe for most adults, in quantities found in foods. However, the application of lime juice directly to the skin may be unsafe. Some people are sensitive to it when applied directly to the skin. This can cause the skin to be very sensitive to sunlight. Wear sunscreen and protective outerwear, especially if it is light-skinned. Lime juice is very low pH, about 2.0. In some sensitive people, acidic acid juice sometimes causes a burning sensation when in contact with the mouth, tongue, and lips. In addition, if consumed in large quantities, it can worsen disease and gastric ulcer stomach acid conditions. Do not forget to like and subscribe this video, to provide other good information. See you later. Thank you.